smartphones so has the same characteristic as what we have on the desktop or laptop but it has limited capability rather than its counterpart which is the desktop, the laptop, etc. So size, technology, and budget are some of the factors that affect the state of this resource. So there's the disk, storage, and RAM, so you can only fit so much of these resources in such a small package. So nowadays, so if for example we'll be developing an application, we actually consider those things. Like for example the memory, the processing power. So that's why, so if for example we are about to develop a game, so we consider the graphics. So we use the optimized graphics so for mobile development or for mobile application. So why? It's because if we will be doing that, so what we could do on our computer, so of course it would not be possible. So magkahangin po nun. Okay, so if for example you will be developing an application, so in for commercial purpose, like for example you will be developing an application, then you will sell it later on. So you will upload it on the internet or any mobile app market, so that when you would have some downloads, so coming from the servers, or coming from the one who wants or the one who needs your application. Okay? So consider the processing power, the memory. So kung masyadong maraming application mo, napakaganda, hindi naman mahirap. So mahirap din. So sabihin, it will be useless. So kung halimbawa, pag-download niya, wala, di kang input na. So paano niya magagamit doon? Pupulahin niya, siyempre. So kahit ako, siyempre mag-download ko, magamit cellphone ko. Hindi na ito lang gagamitin. So mag-text ka, magpinay ka muna ng 5 minutes bago yung letra. So wala na. So hawain ka ng mag-text mo. So anong gano'n? So tagal mo lang mag-text. Ano ba yan? Parang gano'n. Parang gano'n. So yun. So no power consumption. Okay. So mobile devices consume less power than desktop machines. So of course, because of its size, so it consumes less power. So less electricity. Mas maliit kasi. So battery operated. So battery lang. Magtatagal siya kung maganda yung battery mo, ilang araw, bago pa. So hindi mo na masyadong ginagamit. So hindi mo rin sa isang buong araw. So battery lang. So yung power consumption, mas maliit compared sa mga desktop. So halimbawa itong desktop natin dito. Diba? So syempre hindi naman pwede yung di battery yan. So saan mahal sa kuryente yan. So kung laptop pwede, may battery yun. So okay, so kung ayaw mo namang battery, pwede rin sa outlet. Okay? So robust and reliable. So because of mobile devices are always carrying a load, so they must be robust enough to withstand the force of bumps, motion, and rotation. Okay, so most of the mobile devices actually, so it is much robust. So kahit sabi siya, napapagsak. So sabihin, it has the capability to resist. So yung mga ganong instances. So unlike sa mga desktop,